Picture this, you're standing in the store, 5 TVs in a row. They all look almost identical, except the letters on the boxes. OLED, QLED, Mini LED, LED. Which one do you pick? And why does the brightest, most expensive TV in the store so often become the biggest disappointment at home? And if you saw my last video, you already got the perfect cable. The signal reaching your screen is flawless. Today, I'll explain every type of TV screen like your 5, no confusing jargon. By the end, you'll know exactly which screen belongs in your living room, whether you love movies in the dark or football in the sun. And I'll show you the one trick every showroom uses to make you buy the wrong TV. Stick around for that. It's the part that saves you money. Here's the one thing you need to understand first. Every screen falls into one of 2 families. Family 1. Screens that make their own light. Each tiny pixel is its own little light bulb. Family 2. Screens that need a backlight behind them. A big light shines through a layer that creates the picture. The problem? That backlight is always on. So, black is really just very dark gray. That's the fundamental difference. And everything else in this video flows from that one fact. Remember these 2 families, and the rest is easy. Let's start with the one everyone talks about. OLED. It's family 1. Every pixel makes its own light, and that changes everything. When an OLED pixel turns black, it's perfectly black. So the contrast is stunning. Stars in a night sky. A dark movie scene. Nothing glows where it shouldn't. And because each pixel switches instantly, there's virtually no motion blur. Fast sports and games look razor sharp. But, and this matters, OLED has 2 weak spots. 1, it's not the brightest. In a bright, sunny room, it can look a little washed out, though newer OLEDs are catching up fast. And 2, burn in. You've probably heard the horror stories. And years ago, they were real. Today, modern OLEDs have built-in protection,